Hey guys, it's Jimmy Trades here. Happy Thursday. Welcome back to the channel. Sorry for my absence the last couple of days. I have been having some computer dramas. They're not quite over yet, but I do have a new computer in transit, which will hopefully put all those issues to rest and we can get on with business moving forward. Hopefully we just get through this week unscathed. Please remember to subscribe to the channel, guys. Hit that like button and turn on notification icon. And remember, guys, you can always follow us in Trade Foundry. Join us over there. Free Discord community we have. Great like-minded people. It's a great little community we've been building. So head over there. The link is in the description. First, let's move over to the calendar. All right, we have unemployment claims at 8:30 today. So we've got that high impact news coming in at 8:30, which is great. We like to see that 8:30 news. Hopefully we get some favorable volatility, not some silly, crazy wicks on candles that make the lower time frames look undesirable. So 8:30, we'll be looking for our positions after 8:30 today. Let's move over to the charts. We'll be starting on NQ. Reminder, guys, if you haven't already, go and try out Tradeify. They have a great platform. Really nice platform, actually. The journal is great. All the information that they have available, it's live information, so it's not delayed or you have to wait till market close for your information to update. It's truly a great platform. They also have 30% off right now off all of their accounts. So 30% off. Go and check them out. Code Jimmy Trades for Tradeify. Over here on NQ, let's check out the daily. It's quite ugly, to be honest. The draw for me is still looking to all-time highs. We are not having a very nice looking week so far. Monday was the day off, obviously, so Friday we had, this nice expansion. Monday and Tuesday's candle is combined here into the Tuesday candle, and we can see that we've just got some ugly, indecisive price action right now. Price is still respecting the Friday candle, okay, and I am looking for price to move higher, but we are seeing this sort of triangle type formation here at the moment. So one side of the range is going to break out. Which one? We will find out, I guess. I'm going to stay neutral at the moment for indices. We did get a good close beyond these swing highs. We haven't been able to close through this bearish FEG here. So for me, we're sort of stuck between PDRAs here because we have this nice displacement here, and then we've sort of hit this roadblock with the top of this bearish FEG on the daily. So I'm going to sit with neutral bias. ES, a little bit stronger. At least it's had, some slightly decisive, I guess, candle closure, but it has been a little bit stronger. We are at a external level here. We do still have this low resistance liquidity to reach for, and the all-time high is just sitting right above. So again, that to me is the draw. It's the, I guess, the low-hanging fruit, if you will. So looking for price to move higher, and hopefully ES could pull NQ along with it. So ES, I'm going to stay bullish. Let's jump over to oil. Right, I've already done a little markup here, nothing crazy. You can see we are in this move lower at the moment. We also see an inversion at play here. Price is respecting that level at the moment. We did get a strong seller's wick. Didn't close back inside the range here, and we're not out of a point of interest either. So what I'm watching now, I want to see how price reacts to the 50% level of this seller's wick. You can see price has expanded a little bit today. We're still respecting that 50% level. If we don't get close to touching it, we could see a possible reversal. We haven't swept either side of the previous day's high or low yet. The most recent information is we are respecting this bearish FEG right now. We haven't closed through it yet. We closed back inside. And using that information, we could potentially look for price to move to this low down here. Looking at 6E on the daily here, you can see price found some resistance here, possibly looking at the 50% level of this wick. You can see we respected that. Price also has not been able to close back through this bearish FEG here. We've respected that now a couple of times. What we've seen now, price has come lower and bounced off these opposing candles here. We did get a close through this bullish FEG here as well. I'll be looking for, even though we've got this respect here, we are sandwiched a little bit between PD arrays, I guess. So I'll be looking for price, see how we respect the 50% level of the previous day, which we've already moved through. Let's jump down to the hourly, see if we can identify a change in the state of delivery. We are getting a nice close through here. If we get some displacement, then we can look at this as a change in the state of delivery. Also a bullish breaker here. So this will be a level I'll be looking for price to respect. On the other side of price, we also have low resistance liquidity. So we'll sit bullish for the time being and see how price plays out. Moving over to gold, jump straight to the daily. We are at all-time highs. So price reached new all-time highs today. It's really hard to not, like, you just can't trade against the trend here in my opinion. Even though we're at all-time highs would signify for me I wouldn't want to be taking longs here. It's not a place I'd want to be taking longs, but at the same time, I don't really want to take shorts against what is, you know, a strong trend at the moment. So unless, of course, we see a bearish change in the state of delivery, so potentially something like this, we have displacement through a level, then I would start entertaining bearish trade opportunities. I'm going to remain bullish for the time being. Even though we are at all-time highs, like I said, it's not a place that I would be taking along. However, I will remain patient and just see what gold has for us. Moving over to Dixie. And also, guys, Apex have extended their 80% off sale as well. So code Jimmy will get you 80% off of your evals, and that's been extended through to the 4th of March. So most recent information for Dixie, we are pushing out of a bearish FEG. So we're looking for price to move towards the low here. So we'll keep that as bearish. Jumping over to GBP. Looks like we've had our ideas pretty close here. We didn't tap back into this FEG, but we have continued to push higher. We'll remain bullish for GBP. Lastly, let's have a look at Bitcoin. Still mucking around here on this bullish FEG. We can see we've had some quite strong buys wicks. It is very wicky. This candle here though, we swept these lows and we got a closure back inside the range. So we have insight to order flow, and we could still be looking for price to reach back up to the high here. So let's remain bullish for Bitcoin. All right, guys, thank you for tuning in today. Again, apologies for the interruption to my usual video drops. My streams on Discord have been interrupted as well. Hopefully we get all this rectified very, very soon. My PC is being shipped as we speak, so hopefully Monday or Tuesday will be running at full steam ahead. But for now, please jump over to Trade Foundry, hang out with us in there. You can reach out to me directly. Remember to also grab the ADR indicator if you haven't already. The link is in the description. And grab those Tradeify evals for 30% off with code JimmyTrades, and Apex evals for 80% off with code Jimmy. Okay guys, take care. Happy Thursday. Bye for now.